Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log into Viber with a different account. Many Viber users prefer to have two accounts on the same phone. You might want to retain one Viber account for work and other for personal talks. For example, while it may appear to be difficult, here is a solution that can assist you. Simply go and tap Open Play Store, and now in the search box, type in parallel space and search. Tap on the install button right next to Parallel Space and get the app downloaded first. Parallel Space is an app that lets you run multiple accounts of the same app at once. If you want to log into Viber with a different account on the same phone, then you can simply download this app on your Android. Once the application gets downloaded, tap on the Open button and launch the app Open. Agree and continue to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and tap on the Continue button from the main interface. Allow Parallel Space to make and manage phone calls, allow more access, and then tap on the Start button in order to start cloning with a Viber account. You can now easily tap on the Viber button. Now, simply select Viber application and tap on Add to Parallel Space. Tap on Accept in the pop-up, and now tap on the Viber app and install the Viber application from Parallel Space. Now, it is asking me to install Parallel Space 64-bit support since my Viber is for 64-bit. Tap on the Install button to do that as well. Go and tap on Google Play Store and tap Install for Parallel Space 64-bit support as well. Once you download both of this application, you'll be able to clone your Viber application so that you can use different account with the same device for Viber. Tap open this application as well. Now go back to Parallel Space and tap Open Viber. Give permission to Viber to access the following permission by tapping on Grant, allow more access for the 64-bit support app as well, and wait until your Viber starts. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to clone your Viber application as you can see on my display. Now, tap on Start Now, type in the phone number that you'd like to log in with, and tap on the Continue button. If this is your phone number, confirm by tapping on Yes. If not, tap on Edit and make necessary edits for your phone number. Now, you'll need to type in the 6-digit code that has been sent to your phone number. Once you type in the code, your Viber will be activated. Now, give in your full name, your date of birth information, and tap the tick mark at the bottom right. Allow Parallel Space 64-bit support to take pictures and record videos by tapping on allow more access that it asks of you. And as you can see that you have logged into Viber on the same Android device with two different accounts. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.